This is going to be the Michigan Motorcycle Rider Skills Test Instructions. The test consists of 4 riding exercises that measure your motorcycle control and hazard response skills. The final 2 exercises involve speeds of about 15 miles per hour. You will be scored on time and distance standards, as well as path and put-down violations. The test may be ended for point accumulation, committing an unsafe act, or failure to understand or follow instructions. You may stop the test at any time, but you must complete the entire test to pass it. Do you understand the instructions I've just read?
Yep.
Engine stalling. Points are assessed if you stall your engine at any time during any exercise. Stalling your engine 4 times during this test is an automatic failure. Do you understand the instructions on engine stalling?
I do.
And so the first exercise here is going to be the cone weave normal stop. When signaled, you're going to ride to the right of the first cone, to the left of the second cone, and so on, weaving past all 5 cones without touching or skipping a cone or putting your foot down. You're going to turn left and ride towards this side of the course and make a smooth, non-skidding stop with your front tire inside of the white box. When stopped, your front tire must not touch the painted lines. Remain stopped. Do you understand the instructions on the cone weave and normal stop?
I do.
Check it out. So you're here on the tee. On my signal, you're going to right side first. Left, right, left, right. You're going to circle around. Doesn't matter where you circle around, so don't worry about the lines and stuff. You're going to come around. You're going to stop with your front tire inside of the white box. Make sure it's a smooth, non-skidding stop, and make sure your tire's not touching the white lines.
Okay.
Questions?
No.
This exercise is not scored on speed or time, and so you can feel free to go as slow or as fast as you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, my friend.
All right.
I'm going to have you line up with your front tire on the yellow tee, facing the church. Alrighty, so this is going to be the turn from a stop U-turn. When signaled, you're going to make a right turn in between the yellow boundary lines. Try not to touch the yellow lines. Try not to put a foot down. Diagonally, you're going to cross to the right side of the range here, and you're going to make a left U-turn inside of the painted box at the far end of the range. Because you're riding under 400 cc's, under 600 cc's, I'm sorry, do you see the white dotted line that I'm standing in line with?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be the boundary for you.
Okay.
Instead of the full yellow box, you're just getting the white dotted line. See how it runs down to the yellow and then back over? Dotted line, yellow, and back over.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be your box.
Stay inside of that dotted line.
Inside of the lines.
Okay, I got
You're
it.
going to do a U-turn inside of the box. Try not to put your foot down. Try not to touch the dotted line, the yellow line. You're going to stop again with your front tire inside of the white box and then wait for further instructions.
Okay, so that yellow line that goes all the way around, that's my border too. It goes in line with, I got you.
Yep, because you've got the dotted line,
I got you.
and the yellow line. So you're following the dotted path.
Yep.
You're going to make the right turn, cut across. You're going to stay inside of the line. Make the turn inside of the line, make the turn inside of the line, make the turn,
Yep.
and stop with your front tire inside the white box.
Perfect.
This exercise not scored on speed or time, so you can feel free to go as slow or as fast as you feel comfortable. And any questions or anything?
Nope.
Whenever you're ready. The red tee, you're going to line up with the tire on the red tee facing this way. I'm going to move the cones. I'll be right with you.
Okay. So nervous. I don't know why. Fucking heart's beating. I wish I didn't bring my jacket. It's warm.
Alrighty, so this is going to be the quick stop. Position your motorcycle on the red T as you are, and on my signal you're going to accelerate straight up the path. Want to stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first yellow line with the cones there. You're going to maintain that same steady speed. When your front tire passes the second yellow line with the cones, you're going to stop as fast and as safely as you can. You will not lose points if you skid. Once stopped, do not allow your motorcycle to roll in either direction because I'm going to measure you. So check it out. You're here on the T. On my signal, you're going to accelerate up the path. Want to get it up to 15 miles an hour as a great speed by the time you reach that first yellow line, somewhere between 12 and 18. You're going to maintain the speed, so no brakes. And when your front tire hits that second yellow line with the cones, you want to stop as quickly and as safely as possible. So you'd rather stop sooner than later.
Right.
Doesn't matter if you skid, but you want it to be safe.
Okay, so as soon as my front tire goes over them, the second set of cones, stop.
Exactly.
Okay.
And you'd rather stop sooner than later.
Gotcha.
Make sure you get it up around somewhere around 15 because we are going to measure you.
Okay, yeah, that's the only thing I'm worried about, but okay.
Any questions?
Nope.
All right, go ahead and start it up and wait for my signal, please.
All right, don't gun. Nope. Don't go too hard.
Okay, ready? Go! Go ahead and back it up for me. Walk it backwards. Yep, we're going to back it up to that white box, or the yellow box, I'm sorry. Alrighty, and so the next exercise here is going to be the obstacle swerve. So we're going to start on the same red T. We're going to accelerate up the way just like we did. We're going to get it up around 15, and when we hit the second yellow line this time, instead of stopping, what we're going to do is we're going to swerve to the right. Want to basically go in between the cones, not touch the cones, not touch the red lines. Questions about that? Why don't you go ahead and ride it back around to the red T. I'll read you the official instructions.
Okay.
Alrighty, and so this is the obstacle swerve. We're going to start on the same red T, and on my signal, you're going to accelerate straight up the path. You want to stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles an hour by the time you reach the first yellow line there. You're going to maintain the speed. When your front tire hits the second yellow line, you're going to swerve to the right. You want to avoid the obstacle line. That's the red line in the front with the cone on it. You want to stay inside of the side line. That's the red line on the side with the cone on it. Basically, you're going in between the cones, trying not to touch the cones, trying not to touch the red lines.
Okay.
Questions?
Nope.
Go ahead and start it up and wait for my signal, okay? Make sure you get it up somewhere around 15. Last time your speed was fine.
Okay. Too slow? Okay. Where do I go after? Don't matter. Okay.
Yep, that's it. Nice job.
Cool.
Alrighty. So it takes one business day for everything to update in the system. So you're not going to be able to do anything until Monday.
Okay.
On Monday, you can take this up to Secretary of State, and they will do the work and give you the cycle endorsement. Or you can log on to the internet. You can do it yourself. You'll have to have a printer, so you can print out your own temporary cycle endorsement.
Okay.
And then they'll literally mail you the real one in the mail. There's directions for the online stuff, or you can just take it in there and they'll do everything for you.
Cool.
Either way, you can't do anything till Monday, but you're all set, my friend. Any questions or anything?
No, that's it, man.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Just tell everybody, be careful out there. Keep it rubber side down in between the ditches and ride like you're invisible.
Appreciate it, man.
All the idiots on their cell phones aren't going to
Yeah,
see you.
they do not.
You know they're not going to see you because you're invisible. You got a lot better chance.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. All right. Well, we're also asking everybody to please leave a review.
Oh, yeah.
Leave us a review on Google Maps for any of the Safeway driving locations. That'd be fabulous.
Yeah, I already made
Appreciate it.
a post in the 810 Misfits group that I was here.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Well, appreciate it. And,
No problem.
good luck out there.
All right,
And,
man.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
How do you like the CF Moto, by the way?
I love this bike,
Yep.
but see, when people ask me that, I have no basis.
Sure.
You know, this is my first bike.
Okay. Okay. You never had a dirt bike or anything?
Nope. I bought this in November. I didn't even know how to fully ride it.
Well, I was going to say, because you seem to know how to ride now, so you must have put a
Yeah, I put 1,000 miles on it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice,
I
nice.
figured it out. YouTube, man.
Well, I mean, I learned how to change a Harley clutch on my bike on YouTube.
I've learned how to do everything.
Anything.
Change a toilet, put in wood flooring.
Got everything, yeah.
Yeah, I love it though. It's
I've done tests on several of them, and everybody has good feedback on them.
Yep.
I've not heard anything.
the only that it's Chinese and people are worried about parts and shit like that. It makes sense, you know.
That's legit.
Yeah.
But
Aftermarket shit you get off AliExpress and
that's the problem, though, is you buy enough Chinese shit and you get, it breaks and doesn't.
Yep.
And
Yep.
But I've not heard about anybody having issues. So.
me neither.
Yeah.
No, I mean you're gonna run into issues with any bike,
Oh, of course.
but
Yep.
it's been a great first bike.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool. Right on. Do you mind if I ask what did it cost?
No, MSRP is like 56.
Okay.
Dealer financing, total. I got it with like 23 miles on it. It's a 2024. I think with my financing, it's like eight something.
I like how they're reasonable
Yes,
compared to.
it's got so much.
If you want a Honda, you're looking at as much as a Harley almost. So.
Yeah, it's just got great features. It's good for someone like me.
Yeah, no, I'm impressed with them. So.
Yeah.
Right on. All right, well, be safe out there, my friend. Have a
All
good
right.
day, okay?
Yep, I appreciate you.